It was New Zealand music's biggest night and Ngahau FM was there. This is our 2013 Vodafone New Zealand Music Awards review. Alright, so usually around about now you see people walking down the red carpet. It was such a stinking hot day on the day, so I decided to stay in the nice air-conditioned media room. Yes. This year's event being hosted by Stan Walker and Shannon Ryan. Both of them doing a fantastic job. There they are, Stan and his award for Best Airplay. B Diggs, hey! His band Shapeshifter also did really well, taking out Best Electronic and Best Group. Of course, one of the most popular places to hang out was in the corridors. Oh, there's my girl Lord. Hey girl, kiss a kiss. Alright, back to work. Lots of funny people, of course, walking through, loitering around in the corridors, but it was like the place to be. Hey, there's Ruby Frost. Hey, Ruby Frost. I like your hair when it was pink. Last year's winner, Ria Hall, presented Best Māori Album to Maisie Rika. Also, when this guy came out on stage, all the ladies went crazy, and so did I. And he had these words for Sonny Bill.
Hey Sonny Bill, I'm calling you out, mate. You might be a bit of an all-rounder, play rugby league, boxer, but I'm pretty talented myself, so I want to challenge you. Your choice. Pick up sticks, knuckle bones, bull rush. I reckon I'll bowl you over as. So yeah, want to pick up the challenge? Then just reply to this message. Yeah, you just get back to me and
Mihi nui kia koutou katoa, e aku whanaunga no roto mai o pare hauraki, nei rā hau no tauranga moana, tērā atu taha o ngā kaimai, e mihi atu nei kia koutou katoa, tēnā.
It's Damien Vaughan here from Recorded Music New Zealand. We just put on the biggest party of the year for New Zealand Music Awards. Big shout out to all the people at Ngahau FM, especially my mate Murdoch, right there. All the best.
Hey! Big shout out to Paeroa Drive
Project
Paeroa Drive Project
with Murdoch.
With my bro Murdoch, right there behind the camera.
Yeah, baby.
Kia ora whānau, nā mihi nui kia koutou, hauraki, it's your bro Stan here, we're at the Music Awards and be my name, me haere au ki te wharepaku because I'm busting, I got the runs, but I got this. I shouldn't say I got the runs, but chirp, man, thank you so much for your support, whānau, mauri ora.
Thanks, Cuzzy Stan, you're the man, and that concludes our review of the 2013 Vodafone New Zealand Music Awards. Make sure you like us on Facebook, do the search Ngahau FM 92.4 and hit like right now. Ka kite!